Welcome you all to Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we'll learn in detail about the two-dimensional shapes. Let's get into the video now. 2D shapes means two-dimension shapes. What does it mean? These 2D shapes are flat shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface. Flat surface means plane surface. These shapes will have only two dimensions, that is length and width. Width is also known as breadth. Some examples we can consider it to be as a square, a triangle, a circle, oval, hexagon and so on. Let's see in detail what it is. Flat shapes are called plane shapes or two-dimension shapes or 2D shapes. Let's see some examples. A square, a rectangle, a triangle, circle and an oval. These are known as plane shapes or flat shapes, or you can call it to be as two-dimension shapes also. Let's see about square. If you observe here, this blue color line, pink color, the straight lines, these four straight lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, these four straight lines together, it form a shape, plane shape known as square. So these straight lines are known as sides. This first one, second one, pink line, purple line and green color line. These lines are known as sides. So a square is having four sides, and where these straight lines meet at a point, it is known as corner, or we can call it to be as vertex also. Vertex is singular form and vertices are plural form. So a square is having how many vertices? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four corners, or we can call it to be as vertices. Mathematical term is vertices. Vertex is singular form. And all sides are equal in a square. If you observe, all the sides are equal in a square. Some of the real life examples of square you can observe on the screen: a carom board, chess board, bread slice. Some of the windows will be in the shape of a square. Like that you can observe in your surroundings what are the different kinds of square objects you can find and you can note down. Now let's see about rectangle. You can see here the lines, the green color and the purple line, straight lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So rectangle is having how many sides? 4 sides. Now if you observe, 1 and 3 are purple color sides, 2 long sides, 2 and 4 green color lines are short sides. That means in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Now let's see about the corners where these two straight lines are meeting. This point is known as corner, and mathematically we call it as vertex, singular form. All four together, these are known as vertices. So a rectangle is having four corners or four vertices. I repeat, rectangle has four sides and it is having four corners, and opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Some of the examples we find around us of plane shaped rectangle: a door, board, ruler, and you can recall some of the examples. Look at your surroundings and note down what are the different shapes of rectangle do you find around you. Now let's see about triangle. You can see here how many pink color line, green line and this blue line, the straight lines. All these lines together it form a triangle. Tri means it is 3. How many sides it is having? 1, 2, 3. So triangle has 3 sides. Now coming to the corners, you can see here first corner, second corner, third corner. Where these lines are meeting together, it's known as corner. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Corners are also known as, just recall what it is, are also known as, it's called vertices. Tri means 3. Some of the examples of triangle, you can see here some of the snacks we do have in the shape of triangle. Some traffic signals also are enclosed in the triangle shape, and sandwiches, some of the sandwiches we will cut it into slice of triangle shape, and more examples you can recall. Coming to circle, it's round in shape and it has no sides, or we can call it to be as it is having 0 sides, no corners, and it is having one curved surface. This is called surface. One curved surface it is having. So 0 sides, 0 corners and one curved surface for circle. Some of the examples of circle: finger ring. You can consider a wall clock. Some of the clocks are in the shape of a circle. Cookies, Some biscuits are in the shape of a circle. Still you can see around. Your mother's bangle will be in the shape of a circle. Still you can see for some examples and you can pen down in your book. Coming to the next plane shape, it's oval. This is oval shape. It can be drawn like this also. If it's horizontally or vertically also, you have to consider it to be as an oval looking at the shape. So can you make out how many sides is it having? Yes, it's having 0 sides, means no sides. Straight lines are known as sides. So it is not having any straight line over here. That's why it's a curved surface. So how many corners? Corners are where two straight lines meet. Are there any two straight lines meeting over here? No. So how many corners does a oval have? It is having 0 corners and no sides. And one curved surface it is having, same like circle. Circle and oval are having the same properties, no sides and no corners and one curved surface. Some of the examples we see in our day-to-day life for oval shapes are, you can consider egg, watermelon, rugby ball. Rugby, it's a game. The ball which is used in that game is in oval shape. And some of the mirrors, the plain mirrors which we use are in oval shape. Say recap slide. You can see the properties of two-dimension shapes or plane shapes. How many sides are there and corners or vertices are there for circle, triangle, square, rectangle and oval, which we have seen in these sides. You can note down in your book and you can revise this one. And art activity can be done in your classwork or else on an A4 size paper. You can draw a toy train using different plane shapes and you can count and write how many shapes are there, rectangle, how many are there, squares, how many are there, circles, how many are there. You can draw a house using different shapes and label them. You can do a scenery, sun, mountains, house, river, something with different plane shapes and you can draw the shapes and write how many shapes are there. Or you can draw a geometric face using different 2D shapes. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math.